In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Framer. We'll start in Framer. Open your project or create a new one so you have a canvas to work on. At the top toolbar, locate the T icon that's the text tool. Select it to tell Framer you want to place a text layer. With the text tool active, click and drag on the canvas to draw a text box. The size of this box sets the initial width for your text. You can always resize it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Now type your text. You can double-click any time to edit the content and press Escape to exit text editing. Keep your text concise. At first, you can refine it as you style, which makes it easier to judge spacing and layout. Look to the right side panel and open the Style section for your selected text. This is where you'll control typography and appearance. Choose your font family, weight, size, and color. Adjust line height for readability, and tweak letter spacing for tighter or looser text. If your text box wraps awkwardly, resize the box or modify paragraph spacing until it feels balanced. Clear, legible text is more than a font choice. It's how all these settings work together. To turn text into a link, keep the layer selected, then add a destination in the link field. You can link to another page in your project, a specific section, or an external URL. This is great for buttons, navigation labels, or inline references. For precise placement, use the position controls. You can align the text within its parent frame, set exact X and Y values, or nudge with your arrow keys for fine adjustments. Holding shift nudges in larger increments, which is handy for grid-based layouts and keeping consistent spacing. Finally, refine size and other options. Drag the bounding box handles to change width, switch between auto and fixed sizing if available, and set constraints or pinning so your text responds well on different screen sizes. When everything looks right, preview your page and make small tweaks until the text reads clearly and feels perfectly placed.